Everyone, welcome to my channel 10 Ways to Wear It. I'm Alicia, and on this channel I take one fashion item or one fashion trend and show you guys 10 different ways to wear it. Now in today's video I'm bringing you a very special haul. I've been talking a lot about how I don't wear high heels anymore. I just don't feel comfortable in them. I'm heavy, I'm older, and I just don't like being in pain. And honestly, I think when you're walking in super high heels and you are not walking properly, you look crazy. You're not gonna get the effect that you're going for, okay? You might think you're gonna look super sexy and fierce, but when you're leaning over or you're tiptoeing because your feet hurt, honey, you look crazy. So I've just pretty much given up on wearing super high heels unless I'm walking very short distances. I even call them valet shoes, okay? Meaning if I'm gonna wear my super high heels, I tell my boyfriend we gotta use the valet, okay? But today I wanted to share some sexy low heels with you guys. I think that low heels can be just as sexy as a 4, 5, 6 inch heel. So I have picked up quite a few. I went ahead and cleaned out my closet of all the heels that I no longer wear. I did keep a few pair of my high heels because like I said, those are my valet shoes, but for the most part I'm wearing 3 inches, 2.5 inches, and I recently picked up some gorgeous shoes that I'm so excited to share with you guys. So if you're interested in seeing all my sexy low heels, stay tuned for this video. Alrighty guys, let's get into these shoes. You are going to hear a lot of noise in the background. They're doing construction in the basement of my building and I live on the first floor, so girl, they beating the hell out of the floors right now, but I gotta get through this video. So the first few pairs of shoes I'm gonna be showing you are from Fashionnova. The first being these exaggerated square toe shoes. They have like the little thing that goes between your toe, and if you wear shoes that go between your toe, then you know wearing them super high is like a slow death, girlfriend. They hurt so bad when you wear super high heels that go between your toe, especially if you're gonna be doing a lot of walking. But honey, these are 2.5 inch heels. Yes, I know because I measured, and they are so comfortable and sexy. I really love them. You know that exaggerated square toe is huge this year, but despite that, I just love them anyway. I think they're so sexy and they show so much of your feet, and you guys will see in the insert, they just look so good, especially when you have like a fresh pedicure, go get you a French tip or white toes. Oh my goodness, so sexy. Your man is gonna want to eat you up. But I really love these. They have like a little ankle strap here, that 2.5 inch heel, and again that little part that goes between your toe, and then a strap that goes across. Super sexy from Fashionnova, y'all. They are so bomb. The next pair of shoes I want to show you are also the extreme square toe. It's going to be these sort of tortoiseshell or leopard print shoes. They're like a really high shine patent, super sexy. Again, another 2.5 inch heel that looks so good on the feet. You cannot tell me these are not just as sexy as a super high heel, honey. They are so bomb. They look so expensive. Again, these are from Fashionnova, and I actually picked up this style in a couple of different colors. I got this tortoiseshell color here. I also picked those up in black because they're just so sexy. And if you have feet that are a little bit wide, my feet are really narrow and kind of bony. I have feet like my mama. I really got my mama's feet, but I don't have like, you know, a lot of meat on my feet. They're not wide. My feet are pretty skinny, but if you have thicker feet or like chubbier feet, these are perfect. They're really wide. I actually am gonna install insoles in mine to make them fit a little better. But if you have like wide feet, I wouldn't say super wide, but if you have like chubby feet, these are perfect for you. And that heel height, girl, you cannot beat it. You can wear these with your jeans, with dresses, with jumpsuits, rompers. Ugh, these are gonna take me through the whole spring and summer. But I also picked those up in this sort of taupey clear color. Really, really cute. Has that clear strap across the toe, so they're like a barely there type of shoe. So sexy, y'all. Look at these shoes. Ugh. Oh my goodness. Anyway, here's that 2.5 inch heel again. I love this color because this is like a really nice nude that you can wear with white. Throw on a nice white blazer dress, throw on some white pants. Really cute pair of shoes, y'all. Y'all know the clear is like everywhere right now, but that clear has been around for a few years, that style, so I don't think that's going anywhere anytime soon. The next pair of shoes I want to show you guys are from Boohoo, and they're sort of along the same lines as that clear style of shoe. They have a clear strap going across the toe, so they really are like a barely there style of shoe. They're super sexy. Y'all know when you put these clear straps on, it's almost like you don't even have on a shoe, and that is so sexy, y'all. It's just bomb. So these are a really great pair of shoes that I picked up from Boohoo. Again, 2.5, maybe a little bit more, 2.25 inch heel, I would say. Really comfortable. I absolutely love these, and they have that ankle strap. So if I didn't want to go for the mule, I have this as another option for that style, and I really, really love them. They were like $21 on Boohoo. I think they were like 50% off, so yeah, super sexy. Love these as well. So the next few pairs I have to show you are a little bit more colorful, a little bit more fun. The first is gonna be these rainbow colored heels. These are from the website urbanog.com. That's URBANOG.com. I've been shopping on that website for years. I love their shoes. They're sort of like off-brand shoes. They do a lot of knockoffs and stuff like that, but the price range is great and I really love them. But these are by the brand Liliana, and they're sort of like a knockoff of the Valentino Rockstud heels. They have like a really pretty rainbow pattern on them, strap up the middle and very strappy across the sides here. But they are a 3-inch heel. These are a solid 3. I did measure, and they are so comfortable. Oh my God, they're so comfortable. This is like the perfect summer shoe to wear to all your events. You can also throw them on with an outfit as simple as a pair of jeans and a white t-shirt, or you can dress them up with something dressier, a nice bright romper, you know, a jumpsuit, a dress. These are so, so cute. I love the gold studs on them. Just a really nice pair of shoes, and that block heel makes them even more comfortable. And like with my heels, I always add the silicone insole to make them even more comfortable, because comfort is like my middle name, y'all. So these are gonna be worn out by the time the summer ends. The next two pairs I have to show you are from Nordstrom. I got them from Nordstrom.com recently. The first being these Chinese laundry platform heels. Platforms are a great way to go if you want to add a little bit of height, but you don't want that uncomfortableness of a super high slope on the heel. So these are perfect. As you can see, they are pretty high on the heel, maybe a 3.5 inch heel, but because of that platform in the front, which is about an inch and a half, it really takes away from the height of the heel, and you can see that that slope is not super high. These are so comfortable, and I love the color. This is marigold, and this color is like one of the Pantone colors of 2020. So just a really gorgeous pair of shoes that I can throw on with my wide leg jeans, throw on with some rompers and stuff like that. I really love these. So cute. This is my style right here, y'all. I love them. You know, thick platforms are not everybody's style. Some people prefer like skinnier heels only, which I did show you some options on that, but I like a little bit of everything. Y'all already know. The next pair of shoes I picked up are also from Nordstrom.com. These red Topshop Platforms. These are like a mule style of shoe, really strappy here in the front. They have like a faux alligator print on them, and I just love these. I love a good pair of red shoes because this is something that I throw on a lot. I do like to throw red into my outfits, especially lately. I don't know why, I just love red, but I thought these were so, so cute. Great with a pair of jeans. Again, my wide leg jeans, my bell-bottom jeans, or my straight legs, my folded jeans that I cuff at the ankle. These will be perfect. They're really cute on the feet, super sexy. I love the color, very modern, and I love that snake print on there, or alligator print. Really, really cute pair of shoes, and I will link all of these below. Now, I did want to give you guys some boot options for those ladies who like to wear boots with their jeans or just love a good low ankle length booty. Those are my favorite styles of shoes to wear, and those are what I wear most often. So I picked up a couple of pair of boots. The first ones I'm going to show you are from Urbanog. These are a pair of neon nylon material boots. They have like a really cute buckle detail on them. That like seatbelt buckle detail is so popular right now. And these are just really, really cool and sexy. They have a nice low 2-inch heel, and it's sort of like a loose side heel, which makes them even more unique and cool. I really love these shoes. They were nice and cheap on the Urbanog website. Really, really cute pair of boots that you can wear out. You can wear them to concerts, date night, girls night, whatever. These are so cute to add a nice pop to an outfit. So I love them so much. I got them in 2 colors. They also come in black, but I picked them up in this royal blue color. So gorgeous. Look at how striking that blue is, and that buckle detail is just so cool, you guys. Also that loose side heel, 2 inches. So comfortable, easy to walk in. I can wear these to a concert when I know I'm going across the parking lot, when I'm gonna be standing up getting my groove on. These are perfect, and again, great to add a nice little pop to any outfit. Ugh, I'm so in love with these, you guys. I can't even tell y'all how much, but they are so comfortable. Great for anybody who is looking for a nice pair of low heel booties. Go get these. I will link them below, and like I said, they also come in black. Now the last pair of boots are sort of like an honorable mention. You guys have seen these in a couple of videos, but I thought I would share them anyway, and that is my snake print Steve Madden boots. These are purchased from Amazon, and they are my most comfortable and sexy and cool pair of boots that I own right now. Like, I love these boots so much. They have like a perfect 2.5-inch heel. The pattern is super modern and cool. Great for mixing patterns, great for wearing like with a solid outfit or a monochrome outfit. Girl, these boots are so easy to style. They're so bomb and so sexy. I just love them. And they were about $80 on Amazon. I think they do go up and down in price, and it depends on your size, but worth every penny. If they were $150, they would be worth it, girl. I love these, and I've been wearing them out. Love these boots. Thank you guys so much for watching my sexy low heel haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked all the heels that I picked up in this video. Most of them are recently purchased, and I will list them in the description if you're interested in getting any of them. But like I said in the video, if you are holding on to super high heels that you know are not comfortable, that are tearing up your feet, that you got to tiptoe in, girl, get rid of them, okay? You can look just as sexy in 2.5 and 3-inch heels as you do in 5 and 6-inch heels, and the days of being in pain are over, okay? They're over, girlfriend. So I hope you all liked this video. Definitely leave me a thumbs up if you did. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Clearly, I'm bringing you some really great videos and content, and I think you will love it. So hit that subscribe button, join our little family here, and I will see all of you guys on the next video. Love y'all. Bye, guys.